guys. Well, we had a dilemma today. We have baby chicken chicks and baby quail chicks, and we have one brooder box. So I'm going to show you a quick way to make a brooder box with a tub now. So what we're going to do, I've already started it, is going to start cutting out the center part of the lid here. And so I'm just using a knife, just punch right down through it. Cut it. Okay, so now we've got hollowed out lid here, and what we're going to do is we're going to drill a bunch of holes every so many inches around the edge to attach our wire to the top. Okay, so we've got a drill bit. My drill's at work, I'm a contractor, imagine that, and I don't have a drill. But you can just take a drill bit, really simple. This plastic is really thin, and so it doesn't take much to drill through this. So you can just start here, and you can just twist like that. Clean it up a little bit if you want to, don't have to. And I'm just going to go every few inches and do that. Okay, now we've got all of our holes drilled, and now we got to get our wire mesh to go on top. So I'm just going to use a pair of snips. I'm going to measure this, and I'll cut it to size and we'll come back.